Hey y'all, you are listening to the beginning of Spreaker's Tuesday night triple threat in full effect. Starting out with Let's Talk About It with the wild and wonderful Brenda White and the uppity and well-read Jacqueline Lambert, aka Miss Uppity Speaks. And waiting at the Spreaker Depot is David Capers and that wild train ride he's going to take you on called the Razor Blade Express. Oh, honey, you know you got to hold on to your wig and your panties, too, because this ride is unbelievable. And then waiting in the wings is the Love Doctor, DJ Tony Sanchez, with the smoothest, most relaxing love songs on the net. So stick and stay right here for Spreaker's Tuesday night triple threat in full effect, beginning at 5 until 7 p.m. for Let's Talk About It, the funniest, the craziest, and the most informative political talk show on the net. And then waiting at the depot, get your tickets for David Capers and the Razor Blade Express from 7 until 10 p.m. And waiting in the wings from 10 until 12 midnight, the Love Doctor, DJ Tony Sanchez. He's going to do it to you up and down, round and round, back and forth, side to side, and then straight down the middle of your ear hole. I'll see you in the chat room at Spreaker.com, all times Eastern.